How to add a hyperlapse camera to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on wallpaper and style. Next, tap on the lock screen panel. Then tap on the widget panel here. Now the widget panel only allows up to 4 widgets. I have used all of them, so I will remove some of them to make space for the new widget. Next, we tap on camera, then tap on custom camera. Now at the top here, tap on the start icon. Then go down and tap on starting mode. Next, choose whether you want to use the rear or the front camera. Then scroll down and choose hyperlapse. Then tap on the back key. If you want to give it a title, you can do so. And turn on watermark if you want to use watermark. Otherwise, we can switch it off. Then tap on saved. And then tap on done. Then tap on the home button. Now go to your lock screen. And on the lock screen here, tap on the hyperlapse camera to launch the hyperlapse camera. And then tap on the record button to record your hyperlapse video. And that's it. That's the hyperlapse video camera. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.